A year coming for Instagram, I tell my boss, say, look ya. A man say me for left work early, so how you want me stay here till...
But I work on this.
No.
Don't make a boss in the video, you know? What do you mean? Can I have an undercover job? No, man, a good thing that...
Hustle. Jamaican, me a Jamaican, me have to have more than one job.
Well,
So ball of foot and knockings, and we have the none other than the heads of state. One Lowe.
yeah, respect.
Yeah.
We got the 3 pints. 3 pints. Pints, I tell the man, say, brother, pints, take you to the World Cup. Just get points.
Get
as much points as possible. Get points that will take you to the World Cup. You see me? Performance, yes, but we rather ugly win than a pretty lose.
That is true.
But again, to the fans, I appreciate the support. A long time I see stadium full, so.
We appreciate the rally call.
Even in the 75th minute, I see people still walking, which means them still want to come catch P-side game and the excitement. So keep it up. Again, I want to play again September or no.
September back. Yeah, September we're back here.
So full house again. Hopefully the bigger heads them fix the light and you know.
How about the pitch?
The pitch was phenomenal today. I love it. Smooth sailing. No problems at all. My concert to keep, so pitch off a nice.
Pitch off a nice, without a doubt. Anything you want to tell the fans going into Sunday's game? I mean, we might not be there.
On the illegal stream.